Ready to dig up some soil? This is our 5th year gardening on this plot here, and I really want to see what the soil is like, what nutrients I need to add, what I have too much of. We've been adding natural compost to the soil with our chickens. Chickens are a great thing to have because whenever we clean out the coop, everything comes down here, gets spread on, it gets tilled up in the spring. I also have cover crop planted in the fall that rebuilds the soil, but I've never done a soil test. And last year was the first year I noticed that something was a little off. All of my plants were really beautiful and lush and green, but they weren't producing a lot of fruit. When you have an abundance of really good green growth, your plants are really beautiful, they're bushy, but you're not producing a lot of fruit. That is a sign of having too much nitrogen in your soil, because nitrogen makes everything look beautiful, but you want to have a healthy balance. Not enough nitrogen, your leaves will look kind of like not as vibrant green, they might have some yellowing on them. So there's probably a little bit too much nitrogen on our soil, which is one of the reasons I want to test this year to see what's going on. They want me to take 6 different samples from the garden bed, and she said to do it in a figure 8, taking from different points. We're gonna blend that all together in the wheelbarrow, and then we're gonna scoop out a couple cups into a quart bag and take it to the co-op for them to test. And they'll tell me all my levels, what is recommended for what I'm growing, all the fun stuff. So it'll be a little lesson for me in education of soil health, which is really, really, really important for healthy plants. This is how I was told to do it. Dig 6 inches down, which is basically the length of this little shovel here, and just get a slither, a piece. You only want the surface soil, so you're just trying to get 6 inches there. We're gonna mix it in here with the rest of the stuff. Word of advice to all the gardening mothers out there, power tools are a lifesaver. When you have a 3-year-old that has a lot of energy and wants to help, which is fun sometimes, but sometimes his energy needs to be redirected. So a power tool makes gardening life fun for me and for him. He can buzz around the garden, pop in every once in a while, and then buzz off. That might have sounded kind of bad, I didn't mean it that way. Now we're gonna mix this up real good. We pulled from about 6 or 7 different spots. It is possible to grow nutrient deficient food, and we don't want that. Good soil means good plants. So we're filling up just a quart bag here, and we will take this in. Who you got? Kitty? You got Belle?
Yeah.
Does she like you? Be careful with her. Let's go get a soil test. No shoes, your shoes are in the car. Any other mother struggle to keep shoes on her children? It's crazy.
Mom,
I don't know what it is about a farm store that gets me so excited, but just pulling into the parking lot, I just get so excited to go look at all the fun things. The seeds, the farm supplies, all the things. And now we get to do a soil test. That's fun. So here we are. So we finished our soil test, took it in. I'm supposed to come back in 2 to 3 weeks and they will give me a rundown of what is in my soil, and then I can ask questions and all those things and learn as I go. I'm excited for y'all to learn with me in this process. Today was a first for me, digging up soil, getting a soil test. But that's all part of the journey. We learn as we go. Make sure to subscribe below for new videos, going through my soil test, canning, gardening, planting the garden, planting it, all the things. Let's go.